University of Mumbai, MCOM Sem 4, Corporate Financial Accounting, Question Bank Solution. We are going to do topic valuation of business, and in this topic we are going to solve problem number 2. So here is our question 2. From the following particular, calculate the value per share under net asset method. So under net asset method, we are going to calculate value per share. So this is our problem, sir. Asset side is given and liability sides are given. Okay, so you have to calculate the net asset method. Here at a market value, plant and machinery is given 8 lakhs and land and building is given 10,000. So this is our problem. So problem sum. So here is the solution. We are going to solve this into two parts. First step here is a calculation of amount available to equity shareholder. So first we have to calculate the amount available to equity shareholder. So we have to take all the asset at market value. So in the problem sum, we are going to first take goodwill, which is 2 lakh. Here the market value is not given. Whatever amount is there in the particular, we are going to take that only. So goodwill will remain same at given in the problem sum. Goodwill is 2 lakh. Next is your plant and machinery. So plant and machinery, here it is 7 lakh 50,000, but down in the sum they have given the market value of plant and machinery 8 lakh. So instead of taking 7 lakh 50,000, we are going to take 8 lakh. Then we have a land and building. So your land and building is 4,50,000, but they are given the market value of land and building, which is 10 lakh. So we always have to take the market value if it is given. So land and building is 10 lakh. Then we have a trade investment, which is 2 lakh. Then we have a stock, 87,000. Debtors, 88,000. Prepaid expenses, 2,000. Bill receivable, 8,000. Advance tax, 25,000. So these are the assets at market value. Here the totals of all the assets will is 24 lakhs. It's 24 lakhs 10,000. Then we have to deduct liabilities. So liabilities years are, we are not going to take reserve and surplus and share capitals, which are internal liabilities. We'll start from the external liabilities, that is 10% debenture, creditors, bill payable and provision of tax. These four items from the problem sum we have to take. So 10,000 debenture is 2 lakhs, creditors 3 lakhs, bills payable 2 lakhs, provision for tax 90,000. So total of the liabilities comes to 7 lakhs 90,000. So we are also have to one more step here, that is less paid up share capital. But in the problem sum, they have not given us paid up preference share capital. So we'll write it 00, or you can take it as a name. But you have to mention this because this is the formula or format of calculating the amount available for the equity shareholder. So we can just write it less paid up preference share not given in the sum, so we'll write the 0. Therefore our net amount available to equity share is asset minus liabilities, that is 24 lakh 10,000 minus 7 lakh 90,000 will come to 16 lakh 20,000. So this is our calculation of the first step, that is amount available to equity share. Then we'll go to our next and final step for the solution of the problem. Here we are going to calculate value of equity share. Okay, so formula for calculating value of equity share is amount available to equity shareholder divided by number of equity share. Okay, so as we have already got amount available to equity shareholder, that is 16,20,000. Number of equity shares we are going to calculate from the problem sum. So share capital of rupees 10 each, and the amount is 10 lakhs. Okay, so here you can see in the working note number 2, number of equity share is 10 lakhs, share capital of rupees 10 each. So we have to just divide it and you will get the number of equity share, that is 1 lakh. So 16 lakh 20,000 divided by 1 lakh, you will get the amount of equity share or value of equity share, that is 16 rupees point 20 per share. Okay, rupees 60.2 per share is your answer. Okay, so the value per share under net asset method is 16.2 per share. So this was our solution from the problem sum number 2. So we need to calculate this sum, or we have to solve this problem sum into two steps. Only two steps are there. Very easy problem. First step is calculation of amount able to equity share, where you have to take asset at market value and you have to deduct all the liabilities. Okay. So in that way you are going to get the amount available to equity shareholder. Your next step is value of equity share, where you have to just write the formula and you have to find out value per share under asset method. Hope you have understood this problem sum. For the next part, please prefer subscribing and click on notification bell icon for the next part. Thank you.